you a better body. Lucky features, nipple painted, the pussy cream.
A few moments later.
Just like Alkaline, check Alkaline career. When Alkaline start, Alkaline I'm a G, like I'm a virgin over the years, and we tell you that. So,
may I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
Agwan. Yo. Alka drop a next banger for the summer for the girl them. Better body. Yo, Alka na easy in a dog. Yeah, tell you people. The man say, just dash with your belly. Ready back for the road. Alka. Bro. Go easy down. Yo. Brother. But yo, dog, we are telling it to ride. You might say, yo, dash your belly ready back for the... Yo, brother. Yo, me I tell you, dog. Me I tell the people. Yeah, man, me I tell the people. I don't know normal. But, yo, you see the vibes of that song, dog. The rhythm, the beat. It's not normal, people. Me I tell you, that one here is a next summer bang. Me I tell you. Because remember, you know, them girls nowadays, you know, when you look, you see them in a pharmacy, you know. I buy morning after something, you know, or, you understand? Enough of them girl, yeah. You see it? Yeah, man. Girl, my dash your belly, them hard. That's why them say, oh, Jamaica birth rate low. Yeah, man, the girl, them dash your belly hard, man. Me I tell you about better body. Dog, Alka. Me see what you doing, dog. No, say summer. Now go normal. So you give the girl them, see girl them gone with girl good. And you say the girl them good. Now, a better body. You understand? So look at now, all the girl them we are go to the gym them and the thing them. You see me? For fit up for your summer, all we go dream weekend, we go best weekend, everything. Sans, the summer body, the better body, them I forget. You understand? So look at now people. Go stream the song on different platforms. You understand? Better, me not even play it. Come on to go stream it. You see me? But tell me in a comment how the song go on. The song, yo, the song and the bass are kick. You see, start that song, trust me, man. You know that, but Alka, boy, you know, easy, you know, dog. You always afford with something, you know. Man say, just dash with your belly, jaja. But the song tough, people. I mean, I made the song, I have to go play it in the car and hear the real bass. You understand? Yeah, man. Go stream it, people. Go stream it. This, man, I'm rate the cover. The cover sick. You see, the design sick. But you don't know Alkaline go to work already. And this is how I rate with Alka. The man make the people them listen to music before him jack the visual. You understand? Because I see Papa YG found out and you see, brother, me have a virgin. I am the video them, she ain't creative. You know that dog there from a long time before I do video and get all them camera them. And I tell the people. I don't know normal money them man they charge, brother. You see me? And them man the quality good. I am do massacre video them and some other artist video. I am control the dancers, him do cartel video, everybody video them. Fly out and a bag of thing, rush on them video. Everything. I am control the dancehall market. She ain't creative. It's a tough you, man. The boy tough. You see me? Him video them come like a movie. You understand? Yeah, man. So, video, it better you, if you put all the audio and the song hit. See? It good. It more great than you can actually spend thousands of dollars. People, some video, all that they name she ain't create, maybe the least, maybe man I charge like 500,000 Jamaican. You understand? That me I tell you. So, imagine you go do spend so much money on a video and it not going away. And the song not going away. So, it better just put out the song, see how the people them react to the song already. If the song not too gone away, you know, say, alright, I don't have to rush it. You see me? But once you see the song kick off and everything, you just drop a video with it. You see me? Yeah, so it go. But you have to make, back in the days, you know, you have to make the people them go and soak in the music and a bag of thing, you know. You see, they just can't just get up and do a bag of video, and then when you look at song now gone away, you waste money. So you have 5 songs for drop. And you drop a song them with video. And it not too gone away like that. Brother, when you check it, me so much artists do a bag of video. Brother, 5 video, that's how much. That's about $2.5 million Jamaican, that, you know. You understand? The minimum, you know. You see it, so just go and put out the audio, them and thing. Let people them focus by the music and thing. But let me tell you now, you see, because some of the artists, them kind of afraid, because they must say, yo, if them drop out, nobody now meds it. But not because they drop video means that the song will go hit. You see me? Yeah, man. You know, means say you just have to put in the promotion. You have to put in promotion for the song. So it better you drop the audio and then put in the promotion for the song. When the song hit now, you can drop the video for it. That's how you have to do it. So after the song will make you get bookings, everything, and then it make you get in some money so you could do the video. You see me? Yeah, because you can't just invest in something where, you see me? Although you don't know investment lose and thing, but sometimes you can just, you know, smarter with it. You see, but the better body song, it tough people. The beat, everything. You see me, as I say, go and go buy it, iTunes, because one carry go on #1, you know. Yeah, man, #1. I feel big up Alkaline for that one, because I think that the summer are very hot. The girl them need it right now. The girl them need them song. The girl good, them did need the next song. And that one, yeah, yo, I'm not like seeing no people now. The next girl them say all this, you know. It want them where dash your belly, them in a dog, jaja. But people, go and go stream it. You see me? A bad song. Same way. You see me? Tough song, people. May I tell you? Better body. Jeez, I'm crazy. Girl, them go forward out in them bath suit and them everything and swimsuit and a bag of thing with them sunshade hat and them, what you call it, them red cup with them Moscato and all a bag of them little thing there. You don't know. I know the worst thing. Imagine this, people. Imagine this. Imagine Alkaline drop all this. Tongue a dream weekend. When him a go book. When him book for down in a dream weekend in July, the people. Eh? Imagine the dog drop all this. You see me? Liquor bust in the head and all of them little thing, then dog go drop all this. After all, girl good. But a problem, people. Can me tell you this? See, if you're an artist and you have the girls them lock, you're great. Because anyway, girl them, they man them a go follow. You see me? Because when you check your party, you get them full up that man. You see me? So, I just one of them thing, the people. You see me? But so go and go stream. Buy one of buy Apple Music, iTunes, Spotify, everything. You know the thing set already. You see me? Go stream it over Spotify and thing. You see it? Yeah, man. But I see I-Octane run out. I-Octane, you see me? I get Alkaline a shout out. You see me? I'm going to hear what go on. You see me? Yeah, man. You're I-Octane go on, yes, sir.
Yeah, I go say him horrible. Him this, him that. The only way we can go from the ground is up. Just like Alkaline, check Alkaline career. When Alkaline start, Alkaline I'm a G, like I'm a virgin over the years, he would tell you that. So, I mean, a cartel could same way. You understand? Because me as a youth, me never want to be the favorite dancehall artist or the favorite Ray. Me only want to be the best I-Octane because me as a youth, from food farm, I get distinction in principle of business. I always know, say, anywhere you go and see a KFC, you will see a McDonald's. The both of them sell the same thing.
Yeah.
But you're not seeing nobody, you're not seeing McDonald's that try KFC at rate. BMW and Benz. They sell the same thing. Benz actually takes the X6 shape and turn it in a GLE. If you really check it, the X6 shape is a GLE, but they sell the same thing. But how you promote yourself.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, man, I say thing like competition and everything, you know. You see me? Because sometimes competition it kind of motivate you more if you do something different, do something better. You see me? Motivate you because you want to compete and you want to do something better and it put out your best set of work and all of them thing there. You see me? So I just saw the market stay. Flow and Digicel, Benz and Bima for years. I saw it go competition. Who for car look better, Toyota and Honda. I saw it go. Every little thing is a competition. You see me? Politics, sports, all of them little thing there. Them thing they motivate. Same dancer competitive. Every artist I go a clash. Who can do this better and a bag of thing. You see me? It good.
Understand? So this is why an artist like Alkaline reach this level where Him start from here where people are saying, yo, man, the worst thing, yo, him do this, him do this. And then people gradually see the growth, the changes, the changes, the black guy come out, all of these things. So,
But you know the black guy really kind of like set the tone for
yeah, man, but,
him. Like,
but people,
it made the weirdness.
Weirdness and the lyrics content, all of these kind of just grew and people start to say, oh, you know what I mean? Them start to see the movement. But when you start from the hill of the valley, then everybody will try to bring you down.
Yeah. So would you agree that you do need something to grab people's attention? Because all the artists you mentioned did something to grab people's attention.
Worse in these times, but you can do it positive too.
Yeah.
It's just that positive. It's just that the problem I'm having with people that is positive. It's when an individual becomes super positive, they start to detach themselves from the mass.
Yeah, man. Well, I say go ahead, dog. Is it Alkaline done plan what him do already? You know, remember him tell Nat I say, yo, him a go do something way bigger. We a go mash up a place. And see, they look at him now. Youth having big brand new rules. Youth a legend in the game right now. Him just keep on focus. A lot of people can do anything, you know. Them can do a lot of things, but it no might work or go like it work for Alkaline because Alkaline know what him a do. You understand? Some of the people they might get the controversy we are, so you know. You see me? But they make it get to them. You see me? That it make it get to them, the hype get to them, everything. And then them start coming out themselves. Them now focus on building them brand. Them just watch everybody talk about them and them get them the everywhere, them the every corner, them the till after a while everything just burn out. You understand? Alkaline put in a black eyeball, the black contact lens. Alright, play a role. So yo, tattoo, bag of thing, way. Then the youth start put in the work, put out music, everything. And then when him reach on that level, then I say, yeah, but around 2015, 2016, I saw the man take out the eyeball. It show you said this, him just want to get the attention of the people. For sure, him say, yo, him is a talented artist. And that him do. That's marketing. You understand? That's a great marketing. You see me? Alkaline run was not a normal run. That's one of the baddest marketing me ever see. Smart move that. I tell you, smart, like the man just do that and take away all of the attention from everybody. The man shift the game. You understand? A young youth. Remember, say them never really a pre-young youth like that. You see me? So it's a good look. You see me? And that is doing for do. And him put in the work, him stay focused. Him not make people jam out. No matter how them hate him or a bag of thing. Him still put in the work same way. Enough of them would have get drawn out. Alkaline does stay focused on the price. Him stay focused on him brand. That's what the youth build him brand. You understand? See the youth have new rules. Big festival we keep worldwide. Canada, UK, America, especially in the arena. You understand? UK, OVO. Look at the youth. The youth like just like what, 32? Him a go on good. The youth have billion brand. And him have him loyal fans right now. You understand? You don't want nothing more than that. You see me? You don't want nothing more than that. Because you have your fans, your father, your show, and all of them little thing there. You see me? The youth have him show and him a book other artists. You see me? Imagine him dead and him a watch TV. And see them artists here dominate. And never know say one day I go forward. Big in the dancehall space. If you book them same artists I will watch on TV. When him liquid. You understand? Yeah man, so the youth make him plan, him write down, him have him blueprint for him plan as him say, him have the formula and the formula work. You understand? And him gone what 13 years now in his career. And the youth are the well. You see me? The youth are the well. You see it? So it's a good look, same way. You see me? Good look. You see it? So as me say people, yeah man, go stream. That song of people, man, not lie. Song tough. The girl them a go love it. You see me? The girl them a go love it. I tell you, wait till it's so keen. Yeah man, I crush the girl them a go crush out with this man. Girl in a bad suit and bag of thing. A problem people. I tell you this, a problem. And not normal. You see it? So go buy and stream it and bag of thing. Cause you know what thing set. You see me? Yeah man. So people, You don't know media facts, you know. Yeah, man, I'm have to big up everybody who support the thing. Is it? Yeah, man, but they are put in the work, don't. Yeah, man, and big up people who want to read media facts same way, because look here. Who not support the thing same way and not comment. You see me? Because at the end of the day, now we're there for the music. You see me? We not have up nobody. We're just there for speak the truth. You see me? Yeah, man, I know it make some people kind of getting at them feeling, but that's how I go. We are humans. Yeah, man. I one of them things, but respect for the support same way. You see me? Yeah, man, and big up the vendetta people them same way. And big up the rest of the fan base them, because once you support dancehall, I want dancehall, it's a good look same way. You see me? Yeah, man. And big up the vendetta vlogger them too. Yeah, man, big up the vendetta vlogger them, man. You see it? But you don't know, in the dancehall space right now, I love how the thing I focus on music. This is how I rate with dancehall. You understand? When the space just a focus on music. I don't like the unnecessary thing when I have nothing to put towards the dancehall culture. I love when a dancehall music I put people on platforms out there. You understand? It a hit big pan some charts and something. And this are the pre people. You see me? And this are the pre right now. If you really want the genre move, we have a day a push and a focus on the music. It alone can carry. Remember say Bob dead and gone and the music still there. Live on. You understand? We can't see him. You see me? Yeah, 6 foot deep, but R.I.P. Bob. You see me? But I saw you go see him with Michael Jackson. The music's all about the music. It can move the genre. You see me? Yeah. No bugger controversy and no bugger waste things. That can't do nothing for the genre right now. You see me? So, we have to just do what we can do, people. You see it as me say, you don't know. I want media facts, man, yeah, man. Big up on yourself. You don't know. That is it.